Intersections are one of the trickiest and most dangerous places for new drivers. Almost 40% of all crashes happen right here. But today, I'm going to show you a simple 4-step method to stay safe and pass your DMV test, even at busy intersections. Stick around to the end because I'll show you a pro tip that DMV examiners love to see. Miss the point of no return? You fail. Misread a stale green light? You fail. We're going to make sure that doesn't happen to you. First, identify the intersection ahead. Scan for traffic lights, stop signs, or yield signs, roadway markings showing turn lanes or crosswalks, anything blocking your view, like parked cars, trees, or buildings. Pro tip, start looking 4 to 6 seconds ahead so nothing surprises you. Next, anticipate what could go wrong. Pedestrians stepping out, a car running a red light. Lights are changing ahead of you. If the light's been green for a long time, we call that a stale green. That's your clue to cover the brake and get ready to stop. Covering the brake means hovering your foot over the brake pedal without pressing it. This cuts your reaction time and reduces your stopping distance. Use this at intersections where cross traffic is heavy, areas with 45 miles per hour plus speed limits, busy school zones or neighborhoods. Finally, set yourself up for safety. Keep at least a 3-second following distance. Leave space to see the tires of the car in front. When moving off in traffic, wait 1 extra second after the car ahead moves. This creates an instant cushion of space and time. Here's the insider tip. DMV examiners love it when they see you actively scanning the intersection. Move your head left, right, and forward. It shows awareness and earns points. Remember, identify, anticipate, cover, set. Master these 4 steps, and you'll handle any intersection safely. Like this video, subscribe to Nevada Drive Academy for more driving tips.